Hello everyone, we are from TrueMaths, and in this video we are going to discuss how the area of a triangle can be calculated in coordinate geometry and how that formula is created to find out the area of a triangle. So in this, a coordinate plane must be there where this is considered x-axis and this is considered x dash and this is considered y-axis, this is considered y dash, and this is the origin here. And 3 points will be given to you, A, B and C. These are the 3 points which are A, B and C. And the coordinates of these 3 points will be given to you as x1, y1. Here it will be x2, y2. The coordinate of this point is x2, y2, and the coordinate of this point is x3 and y3. You have to find the area of this triangle ABC. So first of all, let me tell you how to memorize that formula. Then I'll tell you how that formula is formed, means the proving. So if you want to find the area of the triangle, that is basically equals to half, bracket start. So you can write it as y1, y2 and y3. Consider these things and write these things this way only. Now first of all, you have to consider x1, and for x1 you have to subtract these two values. Instead of this, you have to subtract these two values. So the formula will be y2 minus y3. This minus this. Now plus consider x2. Now if you are considering x2, in that case you have to subtract these two values. So in that case that will be equals to y3 minus y1. And at the last you have to consider x3. Now if you are considering x3, in that case you have to subtract these two things. So that will be equals to x1 minus y1 minus y2 and bracket closed. So this is the formula for calculating the area of a triangle in coordinate geometry. Now how this formula is created? If I am saying this is a point A and I have to calculate the coordinate of this A, so obviously this A must be x coordinate away from this y axis, and it must be y away from this x coordinate. So the value of this will be equals to x and y, means the coordinate of this A value will be x and y. Means this is 1, 2, 3 and this is 1, 2. So if I am saying that this is a point, so the coordinate of this point will be 3 and 2, because this is 3 away from the y coordinate and this is 2 away from this x coordinate. So this is how the coordinate in this plane is created. So similarly, if I am saying A is a point whose coordinate are x1 and y1, means this A point must be x away from this y coordinate and it must be y1 away from this x coordinate. So this point will be x1 and y1. Similarly, if I join this and if I join this, here you have to find the area of this triangle. So if you want to find this area of triangle, what we have to do is, this can be written as the area of this trapezium plus area of this trapezium And from this 2, if I subtract this trapezium, so this area of triangle will remain. Means if you want to find this area of triangle, what you have to do is you have to calculate the area of this trapezium plus the area of this trapezium, and you have to add, and from that addition you have to subtract this, so that you will able to find this area of triangle. So area of triangle ABC will be equals to, this can be considered D, E and F. So area of triangle ABC will be equals to the area of trapezium. The first trapezium is ABDE plus the area of trapezium. The second trapezium is AEFC. This is the second one, AEFC, and you have to subtract this trapezium, which is BCDF. This is BCDF. So you have to calculate this. The area of a trapezium, we know that there is a formula to find the area of a trapezium, which says the area of a trapezium is equals to half sum of parallel sides into height. So if this is the trapezium, if I consider this side as A and this side as B, and if these two are parallel, so the formula for finding the area of this trapezium must be half the sum of parallel side A plus B and multiplied by its height. Similarly, if you want to find the area of trapezium here, in this case these two must be the parallel sides and this must be the height here, perpendicular height, because these must be forming 90 degree here. So I have to calculate half sum of parallel sides. So this and these are the parallel sides. So this is y1, this is y2, this is the parallel sides and is multiplied by its height, and this is the height. In this trapezium, this is the height. And how to find this height? If I from this distance, if I subtract this, this will remain the height. So this is basically x1 and this is basically x2. So from x1, if I subtract x2, I'll get my height plus the area of another trapezium will be equal to this one, which is y3, and this is which is y1. y3 plus y1 is multiplied by this height, and this height is basically x3 minus x1, x3 minus x1, and you have to subtract here the area of this trapezium BCDE, and here the area of trapezium will be the sum of parallel side. This is y3 and this is y2. y3 plus y2 is multiplied by this height, and this height is basically, this is x3 and this is x2, x3 minus x2. So solving this, you have to multiply, you have, first of all you have to open this bracket. For that you have to multiply this with this and this with this, and solving this complete value, you will get your this formula, and this is how you will be able to form the formula for area of a triangle. And in the next video we'll solve the question based on area of triangle. Thank you.